Hey guys, welcome to Lola Loops and Stitches. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create magic loop. We call this adjustable ring as well. Well, it has a great advantage, and it is because this method is you can easily work many stitches into the ring, as opposed when you do the chain stitch and then you put them together. That is limited. But when you do the adjustable ring, aka magic loop, then you can add as many stitches as you want, and then you can adjust it to whatever size is needed. The only thing here is, and I advise you, that it requires a lot of practice, but you can do this. Let's get started. Okay, you're going to start by holding the tail end of the yarn. Then you're going to wrap the yarn twice clockwise around your index finger so the tail is closer to the point of your finger. Next, you're going to insert your hook in the first strand. Then you're going to pull the other yarn through. Then you're going to use your index and your thumb to pinch the ring and gently remove the ring from your finger. Gently. Now you have the ring. You're going to start by making the chain as necessary for the height of the first stitch. Make sure you're pinching the ring, because if not, it's going to get loose. Now that you have the chain, you continue pinching, and you're going to start making your stitches. In this case, I'm making double crochet stitches. You can make as many stitches as you need. Feel free to pull the tail and adjust the ring as you go. You will keep adjusting until you reach the size that you are looking for. And you continue. Once you reach the size that you are looking for, then you go ahead and close the ring by making a slip stitch in the first stitch that you made before. You got the ring now. Now you're going to gently pull the tail and close the ring. And this is how it's done. I hope you learned something new, guys. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and hit the notification so you don't miss anything. Bye-bye. Hey, check out my other videos where I'm showing necessary skills needed to grow faster in the crochet world. You can find Lola Loops and Stitches on Pinterest, Twitter, Facebook, and Instagram.